John Dvorak. Let's talk about at Red Hat top priorities for the public sector that you all are focusing on. What's the demand signal right now that you're getting that you're trying to roll out in the rest of 25?
Okay, great. So one of the areas we're focused on quite a bit is in improving the life cycle of model development for our customers. So in environments where they're tuning their own models, they're training their own models, they want to be able to track that model development just like they would code, just like they would software code. So be able to look at during that life cycle, what's changed, who changed it, what data was ingested, sign those models so that they can detect any kind of fraudulent behavior in that process. So that's something we're working through with our further development on our OpenShift model, our OpenShift environment. And then the other thing we're trying to improve is trust. So this is a challenge that generative AI has, is that models are probabilistic, so they are producing results which are not always guaranteed. And it's great if you're writing a short story, but if you're trying to extract important information from your data stores, you want more of a deterministic response. So we've been experimenting with using bots that are able to analyze the responses and challenge responses and try to improve responses just like a human would. So instead of you looking at it and saying, that's not quite right, I'm going to ask the question again. Imagine having bots do that, saying, no, that's not quite right. Nope, that's not quite right. Until you get a response that is something you're expecting, it's more deterministic. So we're going to see that. I think over the next couple of years, you're going to see that as being one of the big outcomes from a lot of work in generative AI, is this idea that having the AI system itself be a neural network, examining the responses, improving responses before you see them, all done behind the scenes. So we see that as being a high priority over the next 18 to 24 months.